Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to follow or unfollow a space on Quora, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then click on that second icon at the bottom of the screen and will appear here your following spaces. And if you want to unfollow or mute a space, you have to click on the three dots at the top of the screen, and you can see the unfollow the space for psychopathology and psychology, or you can mute, or if you want you can report or invite to this space some people. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.